Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Yang ulun pemulia bangsa Aceh Pancigom dunia. Alhamdulillah kepada Allah Subhanahu wa taala yang kan beri nikmat udip, langkah dan rezeki ke Gedanyo Bandung. Menancit sampai tabetruk salawat ke Rasulullah Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam yang kan pedih jalan udip yang betul ke Gedanyo umat manusia. Uronyo dapat ingat salah sabuh uro musibah ke Gedanyo bangsa Aceh. Bak bunga 11 Februari 1910 Sidadu Indonesia kita mimbak dalam kawan ramai bangsa Aceh yang tengah gua ibak sabuh acara kampanye Aceh Merdeka. Kejadian biadab di Simpang Kuala Idecut, Aceh Timurnya mengakibat 7 draw habis umur di tempat dan meretuh lain duka-duka. Korban jisak lam guni diikat dengan batik dan dijelawa lam kurung Arakundo. Saupnya ingkeh jipenan tragedi Arakundo. Tragedi Arakundonyo salah sabuh ibak dumnan le buat semepoh yang diperlaku oleh pihak penjajah atas Gedanyo bangsa Aceh. Ladum katua kejadian-kejadian ilanya laginyo. Gop cit saja dipegadah sejak sejarahnya. Tapi Gedanyo bangsa Aceh bek sagai-sagai tua atas perkara laginyo rupa. Ulam teruan uranyo golomna sabah mahkamah ke urang-urang yang bertanggungjawab atas buat ilanya rakyatnya. Menurut hukum internasional, buat semepoh laginya ditamong lampun berhabis bangsa, genocide. Buat jihad poh manusia, crimes against humanity. Dan buat jihad lam perang, war crimes. Kesaban-saban tapam bahawa tempat dan ruang kita tuntut keadilannya dan tehah ke Gedanyo. Khusus ke keruban langsung nibak buat ilanya di masa lepas. Baik tak tua draw tu, tapi tak cilawan penyakit tuanya, amnesia. ASNLF sebuah organisasi bangsa Aceh yang sahih menurut hukum internasional. Hana piuh-piuh nepeterang hak-hak bangsa Aceh ke bangsa draw tu ke draw atau ke bangsa lain di dunia. Kampanye-kampanyenya tetap berpejak secara mengatur dan hana piuh-piuh dari generasi u generasi. Katente ke but-but muslihatnya perlai tenaga, ide dan fikiran cerdas. Oleh saupnya, Gedanyo bangsa Aceh mesti tak percarang dan tak pegang draw tu dengan ilmu dunia dan akhirat. Mudah-mudahan dan tak ingat urap pentingnya jid kesabuh cara tak lawan penyakit tua yang kamu siput luah di rumah Aceh. Terima kasih ke pihak-pihak yang mantang bersetia lambut pila bangsa Aceh. InsyaAllah dan ikhtiar dan doa Gedanyo terus bak tujuan mulia Aceh Merdeka. Wassalam.
To the righteous people of the world, my name is Madinatul Fajar, an Achenese community member from Texas, the United States of America. 24 years ago today, by the early morning hour of February the 3rd, 1999, the Indonesian military indiscriminately opened fire to a mass of Achenese civilians who were on their way back home from a religious festivity. Later that day, villagers fished bodies out of the Arakundo River, stuffed inside gunny sacks, wrapped with barbed wires, and weighted down with heavy rocks. Many other civilians were injured in the monstrosity, and at least 13 others were reported missing in the following days, and remain so. It is unacceptable that after 24 long years, little has been done to shed light into the tragedy, let alone to bring justice to the victims and their families. The feeble attempts to prosecute the case display nothing but parody in the Indonesian justice system. Impunity endures injustice remains, oppression prolongs. It is then up to us to condemn and to put an end to this practice. And it is our highest hope that the international community will also do their part to put pressure on the Indonesian government for a judicial solution to this case and every other human right violation cases it perpetrated. And after repeated failures with their justice system, it is only reasonable to bring the cases to the International Court of Justice in The Hague. 24 years is a long time to seek justice, especially for those who were directly impacted by such brutality. Yet, to not try means to succumb, to give away our basic human rights, and to accept that there exists some group of people that are above the law. And that is not a solution that the world wants to witness. Therefore, no matter how long it takes, nor how much it costs, impunity practices have got to end. Perpetrators, personal and institutional, have got to be brought to justice. Victims and their families have got to get their lives restored to normalcy. That today we specifically remember those we violently lost in the Arakundo tragedy. We shouldn't forget thousands of other victims of enforced disappearances, unjust killings, tortures, wrongful detentions, and other Indonesian military atrocities in Aceh, Papua, Maluku, and all across archipelago. Today we remember because, as George Santayana once wrote, those who cannot remember the past are condemned to repeat it.